Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. A bit of housekeeping before we get going. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and click the thumbs up button. It's really appreciated. Well, what's this little project, I hear you say? Well, this is a really nice little project. Somebody I know from my previous job has asked me to make a little doggy ramp for a little dachshund, a little cute sausage dog. So I'm going to be doing that. So it's a really easy, simple project. But you never know, it's got to go through the little doggy flap in the door, and it's all cute and it's all cuddly, and and I'm hoping that I'm going to get a video at the end, some footage of it being used by the gorgeous little dog. So watch out for that, maybe at the end of the video. Who knows? But we're going to make that. So it's a nice little simple easy project that any of you could do. I've got something in my throat. There we go. So enjoy. We got a nice little simple mark out. So I don't want it to be too steep, do you? Because he's got little legs and he's got to climb up it. So you don't want to be climbing up a hill, do you? He's got to just have a nice little ramp. So it's got to be nice and easy for him. So I've worked out that it's got to be 23 centimeters high, 230 mil. So this looks about 70 mils is about the length. It's 30 centimeters wide. I still have something stuck in my throat. Right. Let's just square that off and let's see how that looks. And then we can cut it. So we're just measuring the top section. So this is 12 mil MDF. So we'll go 23, which is the height, minus the 12, gives us the height. And then we can square that across. So there we have the height of the ramp. Now, before any of you ask, I know that'll be there. That's too slippery, isn't it? What we will be going on it, I spoke to the customer and I said just to get some anti-slip tape, because we can cover the top of this in anti-slip. Otherwise, his little lip paws, he's going to slide. He's going to be sliding backwards and forwards. But that would be a video in itself, wouldn't it? Anyway, that's what it is. We just need to cut that angle off so it sits nice and square to the door. So I've just decided that the easiest way just to create that angle is just to plane it down. So just going to take off the edge. So I've marked where this piece has got to go in there, and that'll sit. It's got the angle, so it's going to sit behind and create some stability behind this piece when it's wrong way around, when it's like that. Get that right. When it's at the angle, so it's going to create some stability behind there. A little brace, a little spine at the back there. That's good. So I've just drilled and screwed. And then we'll just do the same. So there we have a simple little ramp. I've got to put all the fixings under here to support it, but that's the ramp. It's fixed. It's got a nice little backbone up underneath there just to support it, a nice little rib, and that's nicely fixed. So what I'm doing now is just measuring out the shape for this. So that's going to sit in there, so let's just measure that out. That's going to go there. So if you want to make one of these, measure your dog flap. This is 30 centimeters wide. The length of it is 70 centimeters, and it's 23 centimeters high, which fits where the dog flap is in their door. So but measure your dog flap. You never know. You might find someone that you can, it's a nice little present, isn't it, for somebody who's got a dog with a dog flap. Help them get through. So awesome. So thanks for watching, as I said. So please like and subscribe, click the thumbs up button. It's really appreciated if you do click the thumbs up button when you've watched it. Makes all the difference to me. Makes a lot of difference, actually. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.